Greetings, my friends. What an incredible day to be alive. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. And it's important to be grateful for the little things, especially in these insane times that we're living in. And there's no zodiac sign that is better at this outlook in life than Capricorn. You know we're going to talk about Capricorn today. Capricorn's always spitting some serious truth. Very intellectual. Capricorn's always going to thrive in the most unthrivable times. Incredibly powerful. You gotta love a good Capricorn. So let's take a closer look at what lies in the healing collection bag for Capricorn. Oh, Capricorn, you magnificent beast, you. Today's your lucky day because today your Capricorn Zodiac Healing Gemstone Collection bag from CosmicCuts.com comes in the mail. Comes with everything you see here. Comes with this nice bag so you can carry it to and fro. Comes with these 5 glorious, high-quality, beautiful crystal specimens made by Mother Nature. And since you're getting it from CosmicCuts.com, you know it's high quality. You know it's the best you can get. And it also comes with this beautiful info card that's very aesthetically pleasing and also very helpful. Gives you a rundown of the gemstones and says, Capricorns are the most determined sign in the zodiac and are driven by success. They never stop until they reach the top, no matter how long it takes. Their creative and intuitive abilities complement their determination. They are practical, resourceful, and grounded, but they also tend to have a great sense of humor. Definitely true of all the Capricorns I've had the pleasure of knowing in this crazy, crazy life. Where to begin? So many beautiful healing glories of Mother Nature. Oh my gosh, look at that. We got black onyx here. Yes, indeed. Friends, black onyx is great for the Capricorn because it's going to center and balance them. It's going to elicit transformations when they get stuck in a rut. And it's going to promote spiritual awakenings within the Capricorn. Incredible stuff. We got garnet, which is not only a great stone for physical health, but it's going to protect and balance the Capricorn. It's going to rejuvenate them, and it's going to provide emotional balance, which is incredibly important, especially in these crazy times we're living in. We got carnelian. Oh, beautiful carnelian. What doesn't carnelian do? It's the stone of motivation, determination, and passion. It's going to give the Capricorn courage to go out there and achieve their dreams and not be afraid of unnecessary things. It's also going to give them good luck and prosperity from the cosmos. We got rutilated quartz, which is clear quartz with rutile or naturally forming copper that grows through it. Yes, you can see it's shimmering in the sun there. It's copper created by Mother Nature. Truly incredible. Rutilated quartz is going to cleanse and uplift the spirit of the Capricorn. It's going to supercharge their intuition. It's going to help them solve problems in their lives. Amazing, amazing stuff. And of course, last but not least, we have clear quartz, which is going to magnify the intensity of all of these gemstones, and it's going to keep them clean as well. It's going to inspire the Capricorn. It's going to give them vitality and strength. It's also going to promote cooperation, which is very important because a lot of times the Capricorn wants to go in their cave and not come out. They don't want to play nicely with others. But it's important, Capricorns, that you don't burn those bridges on your way to success. Incredible stuff. Capricorn, you beautiful creatures. Keep being beautiful, keep being your authentic selves, and keep it real.